Bad breath. Pass.
Oh, wow. I'm so happy.
Did it, Alfie. We really made it.
Wow.
Sorry. Nervousness makes me gassy.
Everything makes you gassy.
Excuse me. Does anyone else's tummy feel weird?
Don't eat the soft pretzels. Bad breath made them.
Oh, hi, Master Eon.
Finally, I didn't eat a pretzel.
I don't want to alarm everyone, but we have a serious situation on our...
Hello.
Bad breath.
But then he never showed up, so everyone else left. But I figured, hey, I got the place to myself, which rarely happens, so I should just let it all hang out for once.
Oh, seriously?
Ooh, you better run for it.
I inhaled your potion. What's gonna happen to me?
Lame.
Prepare to smell my wrath.
Yeah, you know what, Bad Breath? Why don't you sit this one out?
Well, looks like we're done here. Let's... Bad breath? When did you come in?
Skylanders sure are tasty. Try hanging on with no fingers.
I can't help it, Cinder. Intense fear of being digested by fire-breathing serpents makes me... gassy.
I should have skipped the one who looks like an artichoke.
Finish him off, new BFF.
Ouch! My tail!
Why does this always happen? Sorry.
Oh.
So nice to meet you. Hi. Oh, you're so furry.
That was some awesome sheepball handling by Dreamcatcher.
Something with Spyro smells fishy.
It's just the fish sticks I ate for lunch.
Coming, sir.
Yeah, definitely the fish sticks. There was nothing fishy going on. More like something chickeny going on, am I right?
So, how do you feel? Perhaps on the verge of becoming violently ill?
I feel fine.
Hey, Pop, you got anything to settle my stomach? Lunch didn't sit right.
That should do the trick.
Thanks, buddy.
Now, where did I put that bottle of jet fuel?
Ugh.